Black Friday is coming. As a Shopify merchant, you must be finding a Shopify discount to win this game. What's like to have a discount that is super easy to use, quickly supports, and offers a wide range of discounts such as give you purchase, bundle, and volume discounts? Let me show you an app that does even more. BOGOS, your powerful promotion app on Shopify. Now, let's see how BOGOS can boost your sales on Black Friday. The Shopify discount app that you really need. BOGOS is the top-rated promotion app with 4.9 rating for more than 2,000 reviews and bearing the Build for Shopify badge. It's the most reliable app with 10 years of proven performance. Since 2014, BOGOS has helped more than 45,000 merchants to increase AOV and conversion rates, clear inventory, and simply enhance the shopping experience. But not stop here. Next, I will tell you the features that make BOGOS app your store really neat for Black Friday success. And keep watching. There's an exclusive Black Friday gift at the end of this video. To effectively boost sales in BFCM, BOGOS will equip you with any features you must have. 1. Diverse offers. Marketing is a game of creativity, so we need to keep things fresh to attract different types of customers. Since each has their preferences, regularly changing the offer types is vital to keep them engaged. Understand that we have designed the BOGOS app to help boost AOV with many powerful gifts, discount, and bundle offers, from buy one get one, buy ZY, free gift or discount with purchase, classic bundles, mix and match, quantity breaks. The possibilities are endless with BOGOS app. Whatever promotion you imagine, we have covered you with easy to set up conditions. 2. Mutable offer management. Managing multiple promotions at once is never a nightmare with BOGOS, even during Black Friday, when every second counts. BOGOS let you search all your offers with just one search bar. Export import features to help you effortlessly copy offer conditions across various stores. Intuitive priority allows for the combination or prevention of overlapping promotions. We even got ready-to-go templates and advanced scheduling features to save your time. 3. Advanced targeting. If you have key customer segment to target BFCM, like first-time purchasers or VIPs, a smart strategy is to offer promotions exclusively for them. With BOGOS, you can maximize ROI with personalized offers from specific link address, customer's order history, customer tags, customer locations, and even more. 4. Powerful promotion widget. Don't worry if customers are unaware of your ongoing promotions or just irritated by many automatic pop-ups. The right promotion widget should showcase deals clearly and engage customers at the right moment, exactly what BOGOS aims for. BOGOS equips you with a stunning gift slider, an impactful card message, a today offer widget, gift thumbnail with cutout timer, the gift icon. All is to keep customers engaged without annoying them. You also have complete control over customizing everything you want, from uploading your own icon to tailor the content and color to match your brand identity. And remember to translate your promotion into multiple languages to go global and expand your reach. 5. Top-notch customer support. BOGOS' exceptional customer support team is recognized as one of the best, always ready to answer any question in just 2 minutes, even during high traffic of Black Friday, no matter your time zone. We also offer 24 hours a day support for 2 months during Black Friday. 6. Easy-to-use interface. It's no coincidence that BOGOS is highlighted in so many reviews for its user-friendly interface and ease of use. Whether you're a seasonal pro or just starting, you can quickly create, quickly customize, and launch your offers. So, with all those incredible features, we are confident that BOGOS is everything you need to create high-converting promotions that stand out this Black Friday. Install BOGOS today and enjoy an exclusive 20% off for the first 3 months, available only for Black Friday season. Link in the description. Finally, we're BOGOS, your powerful promotion app on Shopify.